What if I told you there's a city in China where you can meet humanoid robots, ride in a driverless taxi, visit DJI's futuristic headquarters, and watch a drone deliver your drink, all in one day? Welcome to Shenzhen. If you're into future tech, robotics, AI, and the real modern side of China, this might be one of the most interesting day trips you can do. Today I'm trying a Shenzhen Tech Tour that brings together some of the city's most futuristic experiences, from humanoid robots and robotaxis to drone delivery and skyline light shows. And if you're visiting China and want to experience more than the usual tourist spots, this is a very different side of the country. Our first stop is probably the most surreal one, a robot retail and experience center where you can see humanoid robots up close. And I don't mean robots behind glass. I mean real, full-size machines that can move, interact, and feel like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. What's interesting about Shenzhen is that technology here doesn't always feel like a distant concept. It feels commercialized, physical, and already entering daily life. Seeing these robots in person is completely different from watching them online. You notice the scale, the movement, the tiny details, and suddenly the future feels a lot more real. Next, we head to one of Shenzhen's most iconic tech landmarks, DJI Sky City. Even if you're not deep into drones, you've probably heard of DJI. It's one of China's best-known global tech brands, and its headquarters really looks like the kind of building you'd expect in a futuristic city. This stop is not just about architecture. It's also about understanding why Shenzhen became such an important center for hardware innovation. Everything here feels designed around speed, engineering, and invention, which is exactly the energy that makes this city so unique. And if you get to see or try drone-related experiences here, it makes the visit even better. Now for one of the highlights, riding in a robotaxi. This is one of those experiences that sounds futuristic until you're actually sitting inside the car and realizing there's no human driver in control the way you're used to. For a lot of international visitors, this might be the first time they experience autonomous driving in the real world. Not in a demo, not in a concept video, but on actual city roads. And that's what makes Shenzhen so fascinating. So many technologies that still feel experimental elsewhere are already part of the urban experience here. After that, we stop by a store focused on new gadgets and crowd-funded tech products. This part of the day is fun because it feels like a preview of what people might be using a year or two from now. You get to see how Shenzhen's innovation ecosystem isn't just about big names like DJI. It's also about smaller products, fast iteration, and the culture of turning ideas into things you can actually touch and test. Then the tour shifts from hardcore tech to something more everyday, but honestly, maybe even more impressive. We stop at a smart tea experience where technology meets traditional Chinese tea culture. It's a reminder that innovation in China isn't only about robots and autonomous vehicles. It's also about how tech blends into ordinary life. And then comes another unforgettable moment, drone delivery. Ordering a drink on an app and then watching it arrive by drone sounds like something from a near-future concept video. Except here, it actually happens. To end the day, we head out for one more classic Shenzhen experience, the skyline and light show. After spending the whole day around robots, drones, autonomous cars, and innovation spaces, the city at night somehow makes even more sense. Shenzhen doesn't just show you isolated pieces of future technology, it gives you a whole environment where all of it feels connected. I'll leave the tour link below in case you want to see the full route and details. And if this is the kind of China content you want more of, Not just famous landmarks, but the really interesting modern side of the country. Subscribe and stick around.